So let's check how to determine quotation validity in Odoo. In order to set the quotation validity, just get into the sales module. So once you open the quotations, you can see that a field is visible here, that is expiration. So let me add a customer, that is Deco Addict, and let's add a product, that is Acoustic Clock Screen. So I'm letting the expiration or the validity period of this quotation to be by the end of this month. So letting it to be 31st of this month. And let me confirm this. So once you confirm, you can see under customer preview, the expiration date will be visible in the quotation. Okay. So here we can see that we have set the expiration date of the quotation or the validity of the quotation by the end of this month, that is 31st of this month. So after this period, this quotation will be no longer valid. So let's back. Okay. Now we can also set validity for the quotation by default. So in order to set the expiration date or the validity of quotation by default, just go to the configuration settings. Under configuration settings, you have to enable the default validity period, that is default quotation validity. So here you can set a limit. So if I'm setting the default limit as 15, or let it be 60 days, okay. Let the default quotation validity be 60 days and let me save this. Okay. So when you try to create a quotation, you can see that Odoo will be automatically create the expiration date once you set the default configuration date. So let me show you an example. Let's choose a customer and let's also choose a product. Okay. So even if you have set the default expiration date or validity for this quotation, it is possible to edit the validity of the quotation. Okay. And here we can confirm this, and when you go to the customer preview, it is possible to see the default validity period of the quotation. Now we can also set the expiration period or validity for the quotation template. For that, first we have to enable the quotation template from the configuration settings. Let's enable quotation template, and we have to also enable quotation builder. Quotation builder is used to design a quotation. So if you want to customize a quotation other than the quotation template that is provided by Odoo, it is possible to customize the quotation template. And here we can create a new quotation template. So let the quotation template be demo demo template, and we can edit this. So quotation template is nothing but that is used, it is very similar as that of the quotations, but in some cases the customer frequently buy certain products. So in such cases, the customer can use quotation template. Okay. So the customer is a frequent buyer of customizable desk and large cabinet with large cabinet, then pedal bin. And here you can see quotation expiration date. So if I set the quotation expiration date as 15, and let me save and close this. And under quotations, we have to save the settings first. So let me save the settings. And under quotations, you can see as we have enabled the quotation template, a field will be triggered here, and you can choose the template that you want. So here the template that we require is demo template, because we have set demo template as the default template. That's why it is automatically configured here. Okay, now we can also set a customer. So let me set the customer, that is Deco Addict as the customer. So as you choose the expiration date as 15, here you can see that the date in the quotation template is configured in this field. Okay, so if you have given a default expiration date and you have also set an expiration date in um, quotation template, the priority of the expiration date will be for the validity dates or the expiration date in quotation template. Okay, so this is how Odoo manages quotation validity. Okay,